Welcome to Place of Assembly, Temporary Place of Assembly, Post-Approval Amendment, PAA. PAA filing steps, updating owner, leasee, or name of establishment. Locate the PAA or TPA on the dashboard. Select the filing action on the PAA. Select PAA. Select the PAA change. Only owner, leasee, or name of establishment. Select general information. Preview update, only owner, leasee, or name of establishment. Submit payment if applicable. Preview before filing. Submit. PAA primary plan additional updates. Locate PAA TPA on the dashboard. Select filing action on the PAA. Select PAA. Select PAA change, include primary plan updates. Select scope of work. Review update. Primary plan additional updates. Upload documents. Complete statement and signatures. Submit payment if applicable. Preview before filing. Submit. Go to your dashboard. Find the filing you wish to complete a PAA. Scroll over to the filing action column. In the drop-down, click PAA. Please confirm if you would like to proceed with post-approval amendment PAA filing. Are you updating only owner, leasee, or name of establishment? Click yes, hit submit. If no, there's an additional question. Does this PAA include primary plan updates? You click yes and click submit. For this demonstration, we're only going to update the owner. Click submit. Click on to save before performing any activity. If not, the system will prompt you. Please save the form to be able to perform this activity. Click on the save. Job saved successfully. See that it has the P1 on the job filing number. Changing the owner's information. Click onto the blue tab. Information is populated. Click Save. Job filing saved successfully. Now the owner must go in and electronically sign. And save. Job filing saved successfully. I'm back on the applicant of record, refreshing the page. The owner has electronically signed. General information is there. Documents are still accepted. Click on to preview to file. There's the fee to be paid. Pay the fee. Payment confirmation. We pay by e-check or credit card. Click on to continue. Make the payment. Receive a receipt. Payment made successfully. You can save again, wish. Preview the file. Electronically sign. Click on to file. Job filing saved successfully. Information forwarded to DOB for review. Thank you.